Hi, welcome to Data Education. I'm Jessica Novell, the Sales Operations Manager, and this is Richard Lutz, our Corporate Trainer. Today we're going to be talking to you about Quick Quote. Richard, can you tell us what Quick Quote is?
Of course. Quick Quote is a tool that is an add-on module for our PawnMaster Classic.
Okay.
Allows your employees to be able to offer a quick quote.
Great. And what are some of the benefits of using this add-on feature in the software?
Well, the benefits are it allows you to set up price parameters for multiple precious metals and even different types of gold, such as white gold, yellow gold, tricolor gold, and so forth.
Great.
You can set up the amounts that you want your employees to start their offer at. You can set a cap as to how high they can go. And you can also set a different amount on the buy value as well.
Wow.
Let's take a look at it.
Definitely. Show it to us in PawnMaster.
So with the Quick Quote enabled, when the employee goes to do a pawn or a buy, as soon as they click the button, the screen comes up.
Okay.
If the transaction doesn't include jewelry at this point, they can simply hit exit, continue on with the transaction as normal.
Okay.
However, if we do have a piece of jewelry in this transaction, or even multiple pieces, we can choose the metal type, we can choose the purity of that gold, and we're going to enter the weight. Now, Quick Quote does have an ability to integrate with the scale.
Okay.
So now if it is integrated, now the employee would not enter the weight, it would automatically be brought over.
Sure.
But I'm going to go ahead and say that this is maybe 20.3 grams. And as soon as I enter that information, as you can see, we have an offer amount on the screen.
Wow, yeah.
And we have a different amount based on whether it's a buy or a loan.
Sure.
So at this point, we can either accept this offer, or if the customer isn't satisfied, and by the way, this is based on a percentage of the spot price of gold.
That the customers are putting in, correct?
Right, the employee or the manager would have entered the spot price
Great.
for that gold. And we can increase the offer amount if needed.
Great.
As we increase the offer amount, as you can see, a scale appears on the screen.
I see.
So green obviously is safe.
Okay.
Yellow, we need to be a little cautious.
All right.
With orange, we're approaching the spot price of gold. And as soon as we get to red, we are either at 95% or 100% of the spot price, or even exceeded it. So again, these parameters are settings that the owner can set.
Okay.
If the offer is accepted, we simply click Accept Offer, and this is the point where we actually enter the customer information.
Right.
So we're going to scan their ID, enter their information, and so forth, and we'd proceed with the loan as normal.
Perfect. So we're not creating any kind of transactions that need to be deleted after.
Very good, yes.
Great. Now,
I do want to point out that one of the things that is most valuable about the Quick Quote is the fact that without Quick Quote, we have no way of tracking how much gold is actually leaving our store.
Sure.
And that's important, especially in today's economy. We want to know every time gold comes in, we have an opportunity to buy it, and when do we lose those opportunities?
Sure.
So we have a report, and it's located under Management. And I believe it's report number 26. Yes, it is. Metal Quick Quote History. We're able to print that report for whatever date range we choose.
Okay.
And it's going to display how many offers we had, how many were declined, how many were accepted, or we can do both. And we can see how much money's walked out the door.
Right. It sounds like a great business intelligence tool to have our customers, help them create better transactions or do better business in the future.
Right. It's very easy for the employees to use. It gives us very good metrics. There is a little bit of a setup involved, but once it's configured, it's pretty much just use it and use it.
Sure, and PawnMaster is obviously going to help with that setup.
Correct.
Great. So to recap, Quick Quote is helpful valuing gold and additional precious metals. It gives you visual indicators of what you can offer, green for good deals, red for approaching spot price, aids employees in the decision-making process, and is the only way to track declined offers on precious metals in PawnMaster. Well, thanks so much, Richard.
You're very welcome.
As usual, and thanks for tuning into this episode of Data Education. We'll see you next time.